Hi everyone, thank you for watching. We are currently on vacation right now, so I wanted to bring along my latest Vox Box that I got from Influenster. It's their Renew Vox Box. Here it is right here. It says, be loud, be proud, be an influencer. So if you don't know what Influencer is, you can either look back at one of my older videos where I talk about Influencer, or you can just Google search it. It's super easy. Anyone can join, and I'm telling you, it is so worth it. You don't have to put up any money at all. You don't have to be a big blogger or a huge YouTuber to start getting free stuff to try out. Didn't think I would be getting anything free from them at all, but in the last year I have been getting so much stuff from them. It has been amazing. So I always try to do an unboxing for a Vox Box, and I always do a review of any products that they send me. Be sure to look those up on my channel. And before I begin opening up this box, thank you guys so much for tuning in. My name is Culture, and this is my channel called Pretty Casual. Please subscribe before you leave. I am hosting a 10K giveaway, which is coming up very soon. I promise. I am still ordering stuff. I'm just waiting for them to arrive and then sorting them all out. Be sure to subscribe and be a part of that. Hit that notification bell so you know when I post videos. And now on with this video. All right, so here is the inside. Whoop, whoop, everything's falling down. So here is the inside of this box right here. This top info card says hashtag Renew Voxbox, and then it has all of the products that are inside. There's this huge tub. What is this? It is matcha green tea and wild apple blossom. This is a nutrient rich butter mask, which I've never used a butter mask. It's 100% free of all the bad stuff that you don't want to put in your hair or on your skin. It says here matcha green tea and wild apple blossom. A detoxifying blend of matcha green tea and wild apple blossom enriches hair and scalp with antioxidants and nutrients for a deep, clean, nutrient-rich butter mask. Deeply conditions and aids in restoring damaged strands, preparing hair for a purified, fresh style. And then here is a coupon for new Pure Blends plant-based butter, which I have never even heard before. So it says good for one of these. It's a avocado oil plant-based butter or coconut oil plant-based butter. That is amazing. I get one free and it looks like I can just use it anywhere. The next thing I have here is some soap. It's a cute little bar of soap. It is Naturally Good Suds. Let me see here. It says coconut oil, palm oil, olive oil, castor oil, safflower oil, oats, oat milk, some essential oil blends. Let me smell it.
I want to smell. It smells so good.
Holy cow, this tiny little bar right here. It smells like it packs a punch with the scent. I can't believe it. I don't even know. Let me see. Let's read a little bit more here. So it's a natural handmade soap. It's made the old-fashioned kettle method with skin-loving ingredients, and detergent-free suds will leave your skin hydrated, silky smooth, and perfectly hydrated. If you want to look at more information, it's Somebody Skincare on Instagram. That's amazing. I can't wait to use this. All right, so next I have Splenda Naturals. 2 little samples here of Splenda Naturals, and then it's a $1 off coupon for any one Splenda Naturals product. And then next here I have Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day and Night Mask. You can use it as a moisturizer day and night, but you can also do like a heavier coat of this and leave it on for 10 minutes and then take it off, and then it nourishes and reduces skin's tightness. All right, so lastly I have this Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. I already use micellar water by Garnier. I'm on my second huge bottle. I absolutely love it. I love that it's not greasy. I also love that it's not super dry. And so I use this as a part of my nightly skincare routine. So if you haven't tried the micellar water, it is a great product. I know it's kind of like so many steps in your skincare routine, but it actually helps remove so much of your makeup before you actually wash your face. If you tried using the micellar water before to remove a majority of your makeup, then wash your face and then use your toner, you'll see that your toner pad is like super clean without any additional makeup. It's gonna make a big difference. And that is it for my Renew Vox Box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.